Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to candidates platform ahead of the election e-voting to
Hi,
2021
sir.
of Najat English Medium School. I request Nasira ma'am to start the program with the introduction.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all. Respected principal, sir, and my dear children, others. Welcome to all here. It's my great pleasure to welcome to all of you this session. This is a beautiful session of our, I think that this final session, our debate campaign, okay, e-voting, e-voting. So here is our candidates. You can share your doubts and ask question to them. So I'll invite first all candidates are here. Okay, first Fatima Lia. Sorry, Liana Fatima.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, miss, I am here.
Yeah. Yes, you can share.
Miss, am I audible to you? Here I have network problem, so your voice is cut.
Okay, no problem, Liana.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, can. Liana, you please start.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, let's move to see if she is having, I think she's facing some network issues. So let's move to next participant.
Okay. Okay, the next one, Rima. Next I invite Rima.
Thank you, Miss. Hello,
Okay.
everyone. Very good afternoon to all. Myself, Prema from class 10, and I'm standing for the position of head girl, and my symbol is an umbrella. So you should want to cast your vote for me, okay? This is our last year in our Najat. So all of you, please cast your vote for me. And there are so many ideas. If I become a head girl, so many ideas are there for your goodness, and also my first priority is always for you, so you can contact me anytime with your concerns, and I will be sure that I will make your voices heard, and you can approach me anytime. I will be there, so you should please vote your cast your vote for me, and very happy to see all of you here, and it's a good platform for us because of this online or of pandemic situation. We can have this type of conversation only. So cast your vote for me, okay, please. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Rima.
Miss, can I
Then
say?
Yes,
yes,
Liana.
you can.
Yeah.
Liana, you can.
Hello, dears. My name is Leah Fatima. I'm studying in 8th standard. As you all know, I'm combating as head girl in our school, and my symbol is book. In our village, we can't live with books, so I think you will admire that symbol. And I have I have many plans for you. If I win, I will fulfill all these plans for you. And I am here for you at any time. You can contact me at any time. My wish is the 100% development of school, our school, and no more. And you can cast your vote for me, and my symbol is book. Thank you.
Okay. Next, let us invite our Abdul Hadi. Let us hear him. Abdul Hadi. Abdul Hadi, are you here?
Just not joined, I think.
Yeah. So next, Muhammad Agil. Muhammad Agil, are you here? Yes. Okay, you can start.
Hello, my dear friends. Good afternoon to all. My name is Muhammad Agil. I am studying ninth. As you all know, I am a candidate of election of 2K21. You all want to vote for me. My symbol is pen. Thank you.
Okay. The next, let us invite our Rania Naushad. Rania Naushad.
Yes, Miss. Thank you. Good afternoon, NEMS. So I'm very happy to see you all here because this is a nice platform, and I think can you hear this audible for you?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so this is a nice platform, and I am amazing and so excited to know what will happen tomorrow. So, and let me introduce myself. Most of you may already know me, but let me introduce. My name is Rania Naushad, and I'm one of the students studying in our NEMS since my KT sections. And my symbol is cake, and I'm one of the contestants participating in our 2K21 voting. So, as you all know, my symbol is cake. Consider a cake. All of you love cake, is it? All of you love cake? I
Yes.
see.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes. I hope
Yes.
everyone loves cake.
Yes.
So, because cake is very sweet. So, if there is any baking mummies or fathers, they can understand that for making a cake, we need a lot of time, effort, our creativities, and practicing. Everything is needed. But final result will be always beautiful and very sweet. As like we also have to follow this in our life. And consider if we are going to conduct a election, but our parents and our little students may have some confusion to whom they will be voting. So, if I were you, then I will be choosing a person who can prove that my one vote have a big value and who will bring some good changes for us. So, I will be choosing such a person. In my case, my aim is 100% development of our school. So, I will be doing many things for that because as a human beings, we are not ending our creativity. So there will be many things. For example, we have to conduct sports this year, sports, arts, extracurricular activities. All of you love it? All of you
Yes.
love it?
Yes.
So we have, yeah, thank you for your reply. So we have to conduct sports, arts, and we have to bring our PT period also. Will you love it? We have to bring our PT
Yes.
period.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, thank you. So we have to bring our people together also, and then also we have to make many changes in every field. We have to make some changes, and also, so I'm at last I'm remembering a quote. I'm reminding you a quote which I made myself 1 week ago for our voting. That is, if you are voting for a person who can make some changes, then you are making that changes. So everyone, please try to make changes for better tomorrows because we need a person who is really capable for that. So please vote your vote, cast your vote for a person who really worth it. So please vote for Cake. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Thank
Next, I
you.
invite
Thank
Mohammed
you.
Shaheen.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you.
Okay, next I invite Muhammad Shaheen. Let us hear him. Shaheen, are
Hi
you here?
everyone. Am I audible, miss?
Yeah, you can.
Can you see me?
Not
Yes, you
visible.
please.
Camera is on. Check that camera is on but not working. What happened? Hello. Hi everyone. I am Muhammad Shaheen from class 10th. I am contesting as a head boy in our election. And my symbol is laptop, and I I have some I have to bring some changes, and my first I will be when I get elected, first I will be making the class ambience as like an offline. Mm. And we will be making our students into 4 groups as usual, and we'll be making arts and sports inshallah under it. And I all need is your support and thank you. And my symbol is laptop, don't forget.
Hello, sir. What about Abdul Hadi?
Yes, we will get an introduction of Abdul Gadi once he joins. Okay, so let's move to next program.
Okay, sir.
I think all others have given their introduction. So, dear friends, it is time for you, dear parents, teachers, and students. Yes, let's have a conversation. Let's have a talk with our leaders. If you have anything to ask to our leaders, you can ask now. Yes, you can decide to whom you should vote. After, I mean, when we are conducting the program, we are conducting the e-voting, online voting system on 10th July, next Saturday, 10 a.m. You will be getting a link to vote before that. Today, after this particular debate, you will be getting a demo voting option. You will be getting a texting link. Then clicking on the link, you can test casting a vote, whether you have to check whether you can cast the vote or not. Then you can practice voting today. And before that, you have to have an understanding to which candidate you have to cast a vote. You have to select one candidate from girls and one candidate from boys. So you can ask questions now based on their answers, based on their performances. You can decide who should be your leader for the next year. Yes, good afternoon. Please ask questions. Dear students, it is open to you.
How will you conduct sports online?
Yes, we will be conducting sports online. We have many platforms like Ludo, Snake and Ladder, and so on. We will be conducting it under the groups, and we will be conducting it by categorizing the students to kiddies, juniors, sub juniors, and so on. We will be, inshallah, surely we will be conducting our sports on online. If it's online, otherwise, if it's offline, we will be conducting better than that. Thank you.
Yeah, we will be thinking about your wish. We will be selecting which of the games you want in your online as online. We will be selecting that, and according to your wish, if you love chess more, then we will be making chess. And if you want Ludo in our game, then we will be making that game Ludo. So in nowadays we are having many technologies. So we will be bringing most use of our technologies, and only we can do so many contesting by our so many online platforms are there. Are you heard about chess? A chess one application is there. Are you heard about? Have you heard? Yes. So we can do as like. Yes. We can do as like by many platforms. I like Ludo. Okay, we can bring Ludo also next time. Okay, we can try for that. Thank you. That was a good question, Aicha.
So as we are all in this technological world, we have lot of applications for indoor games. So we are getting this chance. If we conduct the sports, we definitely in this online classes itself. So if it is offline class, we will do very big one. That's our usually doing there in every year. But last year and this year also, in this situation we can't do like that. So we will do in this online itself. We have so many things, so many applications, so many technologies are there for these sports items. So if they like quizzes are there, so many things are there. So if whatever you want, you will be doing like that. So sports will definitely conducting, and arts also. So whatever your wishes are, we are your ideas, your wishes, all we will discussing that. Then only we were conducting the sports also. So if it isn't possible, we will conduct in offline also. So, okay. So
And one more question is asked that many of we said that 100% development of our school. Actually, 100% development means not only in a single thing. We will be going each and every case. Means in arts, sports, our curricular activities, our schooling, our exams, every activities we need 100% development. So for that, we will be bringing many things. Actually, for any field, you can ask which field, in a particular field, which type of development are you giving? So you can ask us like that. And for example, in our PT period, is there anyone having PT nowadays? I think no. Last year, no PT. Yeah. Do you love PT, Ashley?
Yes.
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 Everyone loves PT.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Actually, our main is our health. So we have to practice PT period also. So we have to bring it by our Google Meet. We can take a help of our PT teacher. Newcomers may be not even seen our PT teacher. Do you know why? Because only when online class came, many of them were stand as a stick. They were forced because they don't know what to do. So we have to make everything by online if there is any problem with the pandemic, and we can also go to offline class when we are getting every permissions, and if pandemic is over we can go very happily, so we can do many developments for our school, our environment, our planting trees, many things we can do. If it is off online, then our school will be inside our phone. Is it right? So, yes. So that's why we have to make sure that we are also accepting our online class also. So we have to make that sure, and we have to bring every field, each and every field. We have to bring every developments as much as possible. We are so creative, and I will be also adapting your ideas also. You can say any ideas, and we will check it is good or bad. Then we will be accepting the best way we can do for that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you repeat the question once more?
Thank you. Thank you.
It has given in the chat box.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That means
Thank
all
you.
the candidates have mentioned that
Thank
we will
you.
be focusing on the 100% development of our school. And what do you mean by this 100% development?
We mean that only we can get get to the score 100% by only getting the responses and making changes and putting it to practice, and we will be collecting all the responses from every child, and we will be making the best decision after that, and only this way we can only we can get hit that 100%. We all need your supports. Thank you.
Okay.
We can develop our school by developing our skills of our students. So firstly, we have to develop our student skills by supporting and encouraging them. Then only we can develop our school also. So I want to say that students are the strength of school. So when we develop the students' skills, we can develop our school also. So by giving them more support and more motivation, more inspiration and encouragement, we can support our students. We can develop our students' skills, whatever it may be. We want to encourage them so that every students, they have their own skills and talents. So we want to encourage them, and then only we can develop our school also. So by conducting arts, sports, all these things, we can develop our student skills. So that's what I meant for developing our schools 100%.
And there is one question given that I have to be a head boy, and what are the suggestions that we can give? For me, I can give many suggestions because being a head boy is not an easy task. We have to do something for that. First thing is that fail or gain, no matters what it is. To me, for example, to me, if it is a fail, then I will not worry because I will be getting a good experience. Then if it is a victory, then I will be getting good chances to help. So we must have a positive mind at first. If somebody will be getting, no matter what it is, must have a positive mind. And the next thing we must have is the vision. for solving a problem. Being a head boy, we must have to solve a problem. So for solving a problem, we must have to understand what's the problem it is. So we have to have a good vision also. And the next thing we have to get is that supporting. We have to support every person if they need any support. We must give. And being a head boy, we must also want to give inspiring. We want to be inspire others to live. We want to be a role model for a person to live. So that's for that we have to first we have to adopt all the good steps we can do, and then we have to become a role model. And the next thing is that influencing in others' life. So for that we must have to make all the problems into solutions. For that we have to ask their problems. We have to support them. We can just say that even at least we can say that you can do it, so you please do it, or you can have a try, why don't you have a try, as like we can say. I think this are only some of the things which a head boy or a head girl needed. So that is my opinion on that. Thank you for asking, and it is a unique question. I will be wishing you a very good, be a very good head boy in our next election. I wish you for that. So that was a nice question.
Thank you. In my case, for this year we have no sports ads, and this year we can bring that, and we can active our online class also. And
Yes. Okay, let's move to next question. Any other students who would like to
I
ask
have
questions?
to give the suggestions for that, Minhal, that uh, if you are willing to be a leader, you must be a role model for them. Then you must take responses from them. Don't get uh, take a decision very suddenly. First, before taking a decision, you must think that positive and negative sides both, and take in if it's needed, take a good decision. Always listen to people who are before you, back you, and don't make any one silly in your team. That's all I have to say for you. That was a good question. Thank you.
Okay, as a second standard student, if they wanted to become a head boy or a head girl, should they study well right now? Or should they become an excellent student to become a head boy or a head girl?
They want to listen to the society and want to learn from newspapers and the dailies, and watch their leaders who are leading them right now, and study from the what they uh, and make if they are making a mistake, you want to note it there, and you must try to, when you became a leader, you must try to do that, didn't do that mistake again, and always take the decision from whoever or the old leaders. And I also have taken this. I also asked from some doubts and some suggestions from our old school leader, because that makes us moving forward very easily. We want to study from there who had achieved their life.
Okay. Okay, let's hear some more questions. Teachers, parents, students, if you have any questions. Mohammad Arshak. Okay.
Can you please repeat once more? Just once.
Can you conduct the program on special day?
Yes. Actually, it is very essential, Ashak. Actually, conducting programs on special day will be improving our skills also, our students' talents also, and we are getting more and more opportunities. So we must have to conduct most of the days in every special days we have to conduct any programs so that you will get many chances and you can prove your skills, and if you are interested then you can get it also. So if you are interested in that, then you can get so many opportunities. So I can hear. I think just wait a minute. So we will get a very opportunity. Yeah, I will ask Isha. Okay, you have a question. Very good. Just 1 minute. So if you will, then you will get many opportunities. So you can perform well in that. And if you are interested in any special occasions, you can also tell. So we will be conducting every programs in every special occasion. And Isha, thank you for asking. And Isha, what was your question?
Can you? If you are selected as head girl, what can you do about how to empower girls physically and mentally in the current social situation?
Actually, that was a very good question, and it is one of the important thing we have to do. While we are sitting at home, we will be always doing same activities. We will always passing all days are same. So, but I think that when we are sitting at home, we must need some mental improvement because day by day we are growing and we need some improvement also. So we must have to make mental and the physical improvement. I think our Shoaib sir is giving morning assembly, morning meet for our senior students in Sunday. I think that was one of the good idea. So I think we have also want to bring someone to motivate daily, and we want so many mental and so many influencers who can also we have to get more and more knowledge, and also we have to bring news reading also for that. And for physically I think we have to plan our PT also, and one day in a week we must have to plan like yoga, meditations, as like things we I just thought about it. We have to plan it, yoga, meditations, and even if it is not possible by looking YouTube, then at least by looking YouTube we have to do that. I think that will be very good idea for us because it is very necessary. So thank you for asking.
Thank you.
Actually, can you please repeat the question? I didn't hear you.
What are the plans you can
If
suggest
you are
for the
selected as the head girl, what can you do about how to empower girls physically and mentally in the current social situation?
Actually, we can do so many things in these situations also. When we are saying about mentally, there are so many things we can do. Like if you have so many works, just relax to the music and what you like to do in more time. You want to do like that. In my case, I like to if I have so many things to do. And I don't have the time to do it, or I will stress on that time. So just leave it. I will do what I mostly like relaxing or listening to the music like that. What I most like. So you can do. You can also do like that. Whatever you like most, you can do at that time. That make your positive energy, and you can do whatever things that came lately. For physically and mentally, we have so many things. Physically, we have to
find a time that's we want to free sometimes. Okay, not always study, not always doing some work. We want to do free. We want to become free. So like watching sometimes TVs or some playing games like that on holidays. You must be playing at least 1 or 2 hours because it's our for our mentally and physically. If you are doing in physically, it will also affect in your mental time. So you want to play and you want to study. All this one you want to manage. So I think both physically and mentally we can do a lot of things in this current situation also. But not actually not as in as offline classes. But in this situation we can do like this in our home itself. We can do this type of things.
I think Isha was asked this
And
question.
one question is asked.
What is the plan? Yes, which will be your plan when you are selected as a head girl? It is a question by a girl, Isha Mahirin. She was asking
Actually,
about how are your plan to empower the girl students in your
yes.
school?
Actually, I think I have to say first one thing that parents want to say that women are not smaller than boys, or boys are not bigger than girls. Everyone are equal. So we don't want to show any gender inequality to discrimination. We don't show even while anything. Don't show anything to your students, because your children, because they are now in 21st century. And I think doing such activities may make them mentally affecting. So I think don't even tell that you are a girl, don't do that or don't do this. If a boy can do, definitely a girl can also do that. So for example, if dancing then for a dance competition we have to do, then if you like, especially for girls, if you like, then do it. Only not only boys are getting opportunities, we nowadays we are getting equal opportunities. So we have to maximum utilize that opportunities. And we have to first say that the parents itself don't show any gender discrimination, or even don't tell a single word which says that any gender discrimination, like don't do because you are a girl, or don't do you are a boy. Don't say it like that. And also we can do so many things, like if boys are in our school, everything we will be providing us, like because when boys have a chance, definitely girls too have a chance. For everything, each and everything, we will be ensuring that every chance which a boy get, there will be can be given to a girl also. So I think there will be a better opportunity for girls, because, and also I request all the girls to prove your skills at that time. So I have to say one thing, that nor a girl is better than boy, nor a boy is better than girl. Thank you.
My case, I think nowadays we are listening to the newspaper news, and we are seeing newspaper so that for a single matter itself, girls are mostly going to suicide. That's we are it's a daily thing that I don't know what happened. Why girls are so become so weak nowadays? I think there will be a lack of proper counseling from our homes itself. If it is in school or offline classes, we can do like counseling classes for girls and boys, both of them. For a single matter itself, they're finding a solution to suicide. Just a very simple thing. That's why we can't do like that. Girls become so great. Girls want to be bold. So many legends are there who became a prime minister. For example, prime minister of New Zealand, Jacinda. How she became a prime minister by struggling so many things. So we are in your India also so many ladies are there who become very great legends. So girls are not so short. So girls don't underestimate girls' power. Okay, girls have the power. All girls want to show that. If even though me, Rania, and Leah, all we are standing for the leader. So we want to follow us. We are becoming a leader. We are fighting for that. So you all want to learn from us also. Okay? So all want to participate in everything, while boys and they girls also. So if boys can do, why girls? Why boys have also fun? So girls also want to do. They want to show their talents, their things. Don't be sit mom. We want to overcome all these struggles. I know in olden times there were like women. They are not separate. They are low ages. So
they don't have any strong, they are very weak ones like that. But now the world has changed. You girls and boys both have equal things in this world. So I think we all have the this power, girl in this power. So in this world, we all are equal. So you all want to become a good leader also. So I think by giving proper counseling and proper things, you all want to become a one day you will all become a leader itself.
Why should boys have
And
only power?
actually, I have to share one thing also. For example, in one sports case, actually, I do went for a badminton campaign. Are you? Do you know about badminton campaign? I just went for that, and I see more. I was thinking that only boys will be going, and most of my relatives said that, oh, you are going for a campaign for just for a place and going. Oh no! Then I was actually just excited to see what there will be. But actually, nowadays there I saw more more than boys. There were girls. More than boys, there were girls. So I think that nowadays they are getting opportunities, and our future is also changing, and the present also. It is not like our old times. It is changing. So accept the truth. We are all equal. So that's what I have to say.
I think now let's give an opportunity for the teachers to ask the question. Teachers, if you have any questions, you can.
Can you repeat the question once more?
No question is there. I think the question was asked earlier. The chances of boys.
Use the festival through online.
Liana, you have the question.
Yes, yes. We can conduct. Why?
Yes.
If all you can agreeing this, why we can't? We all of the we can conduct all this youth festival, all this we can conduct. This only for you. You can develop your skills through this. So why we can't do? Of course we can do. We will conduct all these things to in order to develop your skills. So we will definitely doing these things. Yeah, actually, if you have to conduct anything, you can say that you can say that we will be always trying to conduct, and these all are the chances to improve your skills. So I think we will be always conducting those festivals, and we will be giving opportunities to go to Sahodaya to states. And if you are getting performing well in states, then we will be bringing you to our Kerala state as lake. So I think you will be getting maximum support and maximum opportunities.
Thank you. If you are selected,
Aisha, ask it. If you are
if you
selected,
are selected, what is your first aim to do for our school?
My first aim will be for accepting the children online class, because nowadays it is very important to sit in front of online class. Maybe our students may be somewhat bored for that, but we have to bring everyone in online class, because we have to make it more and more interesting, and we have to use all the technologies as much as possible, and we have to make that our students will be much okay and interested to our online class also, because we know that we all love offline class, but in current situation I think accepting the online class is very important. So we have to accept online class, and we have to make interaction more easier in our online class, and we have to use maximum technologies, maximum best ways to make our online class more interesting, so our students also can have their learning more easy, and we will be also providing technical support for that. So that's our first aim to do, because that is the base step now we have to do it. So thank you for asking, Maisha. Next question. Actually, I didn't hear the question. Can you please repeat it?
your first plan after being elected as a head girl.
Once again, I think sound is audible. What is your first plan? Okay,
What
what's my first plan when I became a head girl, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, it's a good question. So, my first priority is always for you. Always for you means always for you. Whatever your needs, whatever your wills, I will definitely fulfill your things if I can do. Okay. Now, whatever I'm saying right now is only possible when we are doing in offline classes. Okay. So you know that I already mentioned that there are a lot of children news, daily news. We are hearing that they're pricing very silly problems are there against the students. So we can do so many things against that. And secondly, my priority is going to our school environment. We can reduce our plastic uses and increase more. And if we want to plant trees, we want to make mini gardens. Like that. We want to do that. So my first priority is always for students. So whatever you need is just call me, just miss call me. That's enough. I will fulfill your needs. So that's my first aim to when I become a head girl. So you can approach me anytime. I will definitely fulfill your needs. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. So, dear candidates, I have one question to you. Nowadays, our kids, especially lower class students, LP section, that students lack the friendship, I think, and also sharing, caring, that all these things means they lack. So, when you become a head of our school, in which way you can solve this problem? How can you
Actually, means ask it. You one sub question is remaining. I think. Can you ask it?
how can you provide some entertainment to them?
Actually, we have to make our learning itself entertainment, and we have to make their interaction also. Nowadays, sometimes our new students, newcomers maybe don't know who are their classmates, what is their name. Maybe they didn't see our face also. I heard also teachers also didn't see some students' face. So we have to bring an interaction section for them. Just 5 minutes or 2 minutes before the class and after the class, we have to bring an interaction section, and we have to make our learning itself more interesting by showing them many pictures. Actually, while we are there in school, we will be very happy to see smart class. Is it right? Smart class? Do anyone love smart class? Actually, they may love animations as well. So that time, if now we are all getting the opportunity to show every pictures what we are teaching, we will be getting an opportunity to show it every day. So we have to make the learning more and more interesting by all the animations, and whatever we can do for that, we must have to do. So that are the options I think to do, and we also must have to make a student teacher relationship also. I think student teacher relationship makes a student to study better. Their mentality will be improved for studying. So I think that is also a better option. So I think these are the things we have to do. Thank you for asking, ma'am. I think when we become a head girl, we will conduct one program that will entertain the students. That will be last week or every after 2 weeks, like that. It's simply for entertaining them. When we are learning too much, we want to entertain also. We want to not only study, we want to we want to entertain ourselves. So for that, we will arrange some programs, small programs for the students, like simple magic shows and their tricks, and also math tricks. Math, we all are. Some students will be very difficult for maths. For that, so many tricks are there. Like that. So riddles, asking riddles, like that. So we were conducting small programs like in after 2 weeks on Sundays. That time will prefer by the parents, like, and that we arranging that we will planning to conduct that when I became a head girl. And like Rania said, learning is the best way to make entertain themselves. We want to love learning more. Then only we can and attain at the top. So love yourself, love learning. Then you will become one day one big leader. You will become.
I have to say regarding this question is we want to you can make your talents creations in the home, and we will be posting it in our school info group, and we will be spreading it to every student, and we will be getting your creations to everyone, and this can get and encourage you, and we will be also making a interaction section for only students. This can make you can share your things together, and this can release your stress and make you feel that you are still on offline. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, dear students, shall we go for an entertainment session right now? Ready, everyone? Please switch on your video. Those who can hear my voice, please switch on your video. Yes. Okay. Switch on your video, every participants. Can you hear me? The little students, first standard, second standard, switch on your video. Okay, all of you say ha ha he he ho ho. Everyone. Ha ha he he ho ho. Okay, switch on your video and say good. Very good. Tahniya, very good. Mohammed Rahim, very good. Maisha, very good. Next. Ha ha he he ho ho. Okay. Mohammed Affan. Switch on a video and say that. Dilsha, very good. Do that. Okay. Yes. Okay, thank you. So moving to next question. Who is going to ask question?
What are your experience today and yesterday debates?
Actually, our debates were very amazing. I didn't have experienced such a debates in my life because this is first time I have experiencing the debates, and I can understand what are the skills I have while telling about some persons. And if I have some confidence problems, then I can make it okay when we are telling. And also, there are so many experience. We can see everyone. We can share our problems. We can also understand every questions, and parents are also having a great role in that. I saw that students are also having, and first KG section, that was really amazing. The students are sharing their photos. Actually we had a fun debate. Actually we expected something lesser than that, but we got something big. And we got A B C D F G with LKG students. They are asking questions for us to to say A B C D and to tell so many rhymes. I have just say tingle tingle, but many others had many good rhymes. So I think this was really a great opportunity for giving. And students are also asking unique questions, creative questions from their mind. So these are all my experience, and I really loved it.
Question. Hello, I have one question.
Yeah.
How will you help our students to improve their spoken English and general knowledge?
Actually, I think that for improving the general knowledge and their schooling and learning skills, actually, for example, a baby is studying his first language, his or her first language, mother tongue, only by hearing. So that's a fact we don't know. So many of them don't know because students, their children are learning the language mostly by hearing. So we want to maybe because of that there will be somewhat problem at first at beginning. But in my life experience, I am telling this because I just went for 6 months abroad. So for abroad, I don't know. I'm from UKG student. I don't know anything. But with 6 months, I just studied English, how to speak it, how to pronounce it, how to do it. Because I don't have any other option. I am always hearing that language. I can't even tell my mother tongue because they are not saying this because their language they only know English. So I was really trapped. But for first there will be. I'm definitely sure that for first there will be very difficulties, troubles will be there. But our final result will be sweet as a cake. So I think for that we must have to show them how to we must have to say them English and helping by newspapers. They will be studying spellings from newspaper and literatures. Let them read many storybooks and like storybooks and make them read moral stories, which gives them morals for life. Also, that then we are getting more. Multiple options and we are getting multiple benefits for that. So I think hearing and learning and reading are those are some of the factors which may help.
My question is, how will you support them to make their spoken English better?
In my
Actually,
case, we will create a WhatsApp group like English Club, and we will conduct so many programs like speech and writing story for development of their English language. On based on their general knowledge, we will create a WhatsApp group and we will conduct a quiz or like that we will conduct a quiz in every week and based on a heading and they can answer that like that we will improve.
And I have one idea for that. Spoke out. We have to make a spoke out meet every week if it is possible. Then students can just speak casually. They can formally or casually they can speak something they know. We while we how it looks like we are having a casual talk or a formal talk just with our friends. There will be a spoke out. That maybe we can name as spoke out or anything. So there we have to speak in English. Just 4 or 5 minutes. What happened today, or what happened in life? What is my happiest thing, hobby? Anything they know, they just want to speak in English, and that will be a good option. And giving opportunities for speaking and doing so many works, giving so many tasks by English will be also helping for that. I think so.
Okay, thank you.
I have mentioned about that we will be making a language club, and under that we will be encouraging students to speak English, and we will be giving classes according to that to speak English. Only by conversation or we can improve our language skills, and we will be also giving train to approach a crowd, because I also have felt some difficulties while approaching this, and then now also I am not fluent in English. I will be also there for you, and we can together make it. Sorry.
Thank you.
I think from home itself we can do that. Just we can talk with our parents or brothers, just like in very English itself. So we can improve in our home itself in this situation. Okay, we can do in our home itself. If parents don't know English, then just if the students of your children are speaking English, just encourage them. Yeah, that's it. Just I think all parents maybe know English itself. So you want to speak to students with English also, then they want to give some works and you want to write that, you want to write it in English only, then you want to speak with your children with English, then your children can improve the English language. And I think that's a good, better way in this situation we can do like that. If parents don't know English, just try it. Okay, we want to develop our children itself when they're in childhood itself, we want to develop the English language, English speaking skills. So you want to take so much effort for that. So I think you want to take
like you want to speak English with your children, just casual way, by simply saying like that. If you're instead of Malayalam, you want to say sometimes also in a day. Uh, at least or some half of the day, okay, or a quarter of the day, you want to speak at least 50 minutes. We want to speak English to our children. That will make our children will speak naturally.
I also have a suggestion that study a new word in English every day. That will that will increase our vocabulary and makes us learn more.
Thank you.
Okay, any more questions there? So I think this is also a better platform to develop that. Just testing it. It is free platform. No problem whether you are making any mistakes in your language or communication. We won't punish you. It is a better opportunity for everyone to come forward to speak up in your own language. I mean, in your own capacity of English. You can do it. Yes, over to next participant. Any parent, any teacher, any student who would like to hear anything from this candidates, you can do that. Yes, is there anyone who would like to ask question? You can ask it now. Okay, let me ask one question to all the candidates. Mohammad Akil, are you there? This question
Yes, sir.
to Akil. Yes, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, okay. What was your experience when you were a little child in and studying in first standard? Can you please share any beautiful experience you had?
That is a big experience in studying first standard. There are very lovely things and beautiful things. There is many friends and there in our school and teachers and very happily in the offline. In online, we also seen my friends, but that case we are very happy to studying a little minds and very better.
Okay, so did you study in Najat English Medium School from the beginning? It's from LKG
Yes,
onwards, okay?
yes, sir.
Okay, next question to Mohammad Shahim. He has been studying here from LKG to 10th standard. It's a great moment in the life. Studying in the same school for 12 years, it's a great experience. So, Shahim, can you please share which was the can you please select any particular class that you felt it was your favorite class in your life for the last 12 years in the Najat?
According to me, almost every class was very beautiful. But from that LKG, that was a great memory. Every child was crying. We met as strangers, and everywhere, no one knows anyone. And from there, we started. And when we are going to through the KG campus, we felt something that we will be remembering our childhood, and many memories were uh, entering to our minds. And that time we were studying, there was a bench for and for a bench there were three or four students. Now it's turned to chairs, and we have very many developments. At that time were eating from we will be sitting there down, and we will be eating there. Now for the food, there we have separate tables in there. I have felt many developments there. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for sharing your great memories in Najat. Anyway, so let's move to Leah Fatima. Are you there? Leah, are you here? Leah, Hadi, Abdul Hadi. Then to Rima, my question to you is: so you have been participating for the last 2 days. We have been in a part of four session of this debate. And which session was the best session according to you?
I think for me it was today morning section, KG section. I really like that. This KG section was very funny and beautiful. I think actually they are not asking so many questions, but their parents are also helping them. But I don't know why I really like them speaking with their cute voices, and that made me very happy. I think today's morning sections that was very wonderful one for me. I really like that.
Okay, very good. Leah, are you available here?
ഞാൻ പിടിച്ചു
Abdul Hadi.
Dear leaders, what do you treat for children and teachers after success? I expected from Rania cake. Others?
Actually, about our symbol.
No.
No. I expected after win cake from you. Others?
Actually, there is maybe
You are told all improvement about school, but I ask you, what are your treat after success?
After success, when we are giving us a cake, I think that is not possible nowadays. But I think instead of that cake, I will be giving my all 100% me itself involved for all our things. I will be giving me for that instead of that cake. Actually, nowadays cake is not available, but I am available. So I think I will be giving 100% of my effort, my hard work, my time, and my all the free times, and all my effort, all my creativity, everything I will be giving instead of a thing which is economically it is having cake is having value. But I think for everyone, my talents and my useful support and my motivation, my inspiration, influence will be more valuable than that. So I hope everybody will like that instead of cake.
So you have
And
no
that's
plan
my
to.
hope only.
So you have no plan to treat the
That
students
is
with a
not.
cake.
Actually, we will be giving something which we will be trying to give something like
So
cake, sweets, or
okay.
anything. Actually, we will be trying, but
So
I don't know whether it is possible.
okay, Abhayda ma'am actually asked, we are sure about your gift. You will surely, we know that. We are hopeful that you will be distributing cakes. So what about other candidates? What will you give? Rima, Shaheen, Lian, what will Akhil? What will you give? That was
I give to right pen.
Mohammed Akhil will be distributing pen for all the 1,000 students of our school. Rima,
I think
will you give umbrella? Mohammed Shaheen gift will be very expensive one because he is having simple laptop. Shaheen.
Laptop stands for the IT, and I I think I can teach a new technology or any technology related thing for you or a new thing, introducing a new thing. I think so. I don't know how it's possible.
Not ready to spend money. That is the important thing. You notice that.
Actually, there is a problem. Who will give money? We are not making.
You have creative ideas. You have plans to make it. All of you have creative ideas. You were talking about the money, how to make money in school. You were talking about that plan in the last programs. Anyway, Rima.
Hello. Audible now?
Yeah.
Rania, I have a question to Rania. You offered that free PT period. Please explain it.
Actually, Miss, we are having one PT teacher. Instead, we are having it, Shuhaib sir, or you dismissed them. Actually, I don't know. I didn't see them for 1 year, I think. Yeah, are they
I
here?
didn't dismiss anyone, but I don't know see anyone here.
Okay, then I think they are not having a job. I'm really sad for that. And I think we can do one thing. Google Meet, for example, only one way in that. I will just explain one way of that. We will be in there in Google Meet. So we can see our PTs and PTs will be giving so many physically. We can't do as like physically will grouping like what we do as our offline class, but we can do instead. Our sir will be telling something and we can follow that. And we, for example, for exercise, I think we were doing that in our last and before last year. So exercise, some exercise and some other activities sir may be doing, and let us follow by owning our mic. By after owning our mic, we can follow that, and we will just if we don't get as much as success as offline, but we will get even something like entertainment, even something. So we will be getting something instead. So I think bringing back our PT period is mostly needed because we have one PT period 1 week, and we will be there for physical exercise. Everything is going on that week. Mostly we will be having badminton with our friends and many other games. So we are having indoor games also like chess, other things. So please give us a chance to make online chess so that then we can do indoor games also. I think that will be our opportunity for that. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for asking.
For that, we also can practice yoga. That will be getting mind relaxing, and it will be a physically. It will help in physically and
Yes.
stress management.
Actually, our principal sir had conducted our Sunday morning meet. Actually, I think that was successful. Every time it is successful, and we can do something for physically only for that day because our we are seniors and we are getting that, and we are so happy for that. So we can bring it for juniors and other kids also. I think that's a better.
Rania, let me ask one thing. Can you just demonstrate what did you learn from the morning meet, Sunday morning meet? At least show
Okay.
any
Actually,
activity.
physically, now we are telling that physically meditation something. So you just said something that front word and backward. I will just show it. One front and one back. I had just studied it from you itself. One hand front and one is back.
Please give a practice to the students right now. Tell them to switch on the video. All of you, please switch on the video. All first standard, second standard students, she will teach you a trick.
Ashley, please switch on.
Students,
Hello.
switch on a video.
Switch on your video. So this is for physically and also mentally it is there. Physically also we can do both benefits is there for mentally and physically, and one front side and one back side. Just like I'm doing. I don't know whether you can see, but I'm doing it.
Maisha Fatima is doing it. Maisha Mustafa also doing it. Adi Zaman is doing
Actually,
it.
sir, you can also on the video.
Tahania is doing it. Adi Zaman is doing it.
And also we can do this backward also. Backward. One the right hand in the backward and left hand in the frontward. So I think I studied many things from our assembly morning meet also. I think it is really useful, and if really useful if we try to practice that in our lives. So I think many things, drinking water early morning, everything are really good. So that was very amazing. So we can do practice in our sports also and our PT period also.
Yes, Maisha is asking something. Maisha.
We also need yoga. Yes, you can. We can do yoga. Actually, there are many steps for yoga. Actually, doing a yoga make us more flexible also, and more. Our body will be having more and more energy to do it after sometimes. In my experience, I will tell that yoga is also very good thing. We can do it. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Maisha, for asking.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a question to Liana. Liana offered first and second prizes. Please explain it, Liana.
Yeah,
We have
Liana?
some obligation to create an online certificate. That like that will give them, and if we start our offline classes, we will save that certificate and we will give prizes through when we start offline.
Actually, if in my opinion, I think we can do one thing. If as Liana told, we can do as we can give certificate in online and let them print it. Or other ways, there nowadays many applications like Amazon, everything is selling the everything for doorstep. I think everyone nowadays in my areas, most of them are booking. So why don't we just book it from the giving prices? Can we book? We can book some materials like, for example, in a quiz competition, one person gained the first position. Let us give order one book for them. Actually, that's expensive, but if there is no another option, let's order so. I think that is also a good option, and otherwise, our school also can give it on the doorstep. That I think that is not much possible.
Yes, we have 8 more minutes to finish the program. So let us wind up the program by the conclusion of the candidates. So dear candidates, leader candidates, you can introduce again, and you can give a final conclusion to the students, and you can ask for your vote. Yes, again, over to Shahim to start with.
Hi everyone, I am Shaheen, as you know, and my symbol is laptop, and I'm the last. This is the last debate, and my last year also. After this year, inshallah, we will be going to another school. Hope you will be voting for me, and this is your last chance to elect me as a leader. Hope you will be getting that. And my symbol is laptop. I have many plans to put in practice that exhibition, science exhibition, and so on. I'll be making it in a note, and we'll be sending to your WhatsApps. And don't forget my symbol. My symbol is laptop. If you forget my symbol and my name, then also please remember this my spec. Please vote for me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Next participant, come forward and present your ideas. Final conclusion.
Hello, dears. My name is Leah Fatima, and I am studying in 8th standard. And I am combating as head girl in our school, and my symbol is book. Because of my network problem, I can't hear your question. Your voice was breaking. So because of that, I can't reply any question. I'm very sorry for that. And so you vote for me, and my symbol is book. In our daily life we can't live without book, and I think you must remind that. And thank you.
Do you have any solution to fix the problem of networks?
Here have rain, sir, that's why.
No, I'm just asking you, do you have any plan as a leader candidate? Do you have any plan to suggest here to solve the problem of networks among the students? Did you get my question? Okay, just for a fun.
Then you
Sir,
can
can
buy
you ask once
Wi-Fi.
more?
Liana, yeah, you said that you had network problem. So just like that, some other students may be there. They may not be able to attend our live classes because of the lack of the network, because of the poor network. So do you have any solution to be suggested to them?
Did you ask that I have any solution for this?
Yeah, yeah.
I want to think that I want to tell my father about that.
What will you say? Father, I have a network problem. Or will you ask him to provide a broadband connection? Or what is your suggestion to your father? Okay, Leah, all the best.
Actually, you can on one way you can port into another SIM which provides you great network connection. Otherwise, you can do broadband connection like Wi-Fi. You can try good at good prices. It is available, I think.
Okay, what is the current price list of the internet
I
connection?
think 300 something. I think is it right?
I don't know.
There are dongles are available which can be portable, and that's very useful.
Actually, a modem will be available. One modem, just a small device. We can do it by modem will be giving providing. But then also there will be a problem when we are moving out of house. If 5 persons at a house, we can't use. Everyone can't use while moving out of house. But now we can adjust with that.
But we can at least 5 people can do it at the same speed. My home. So
It is a,
it is I think it's 15 meter apart. It will be lost its connection. That's why we can modem is a great way we can do for everyone. But I think now its prices are increasing for that because everyone was in buying that one. So I think it is increasing day by day. So as possible we want to buy it very fastly, and I
as
think
soon as possible.
at the at a time we can at least 6 people can do it in the same speed. I don't know. In a day, it's maybe so 10 GB. More than that is enough net is there. So you can buy it and you can use it. It will be very useful because nowadays we are in this platform, online platform. So it is very important to buy that one. There will be no loss in the buying this one. So I think it's a good way of buying this modem.
It is only because of rain. When there is no rain, it is not problem.
Oh, so let us let us tell the rain go away, right? All the time we have class here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's move to next
Then
candidate for the final conclusion. Shahim has given his conclusion, and Liana also has given the conclusion. Next, Akhil, are you going to give a conclusion? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hello, my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Agil. My symbol is pen. You all have pen. You're writing with pen. You want to vote for me? My symbol is pen. Thank you.
And so my name is Rania Naushad. My symbol is cake. So I have many more and more improvements to be done after. I will be always revealing it after our election. Some of them offers I already told, and some of them is for you. As your luck, you will be getting. And I think if you are voting for cake, then I will be much as like a cake. Before I said its meaning, we can have a beautiful and great success, and it will be very sweet for us. So please vote for cake and have a nice day.
So this is our last debate and my first experiences in this debate. So I think from this all sections for all this debate, I am very surprised to see all this because this is my first ever experiences debate. Actually, in first time, I was confused. What is with the debate? I only seen in TVs, televisions programs, but I didn't participate in. This is my first experience. And thank you, Shoy sir, for this type of debate. I'm very happy in that. And once again, I'm Rima from class 10, standing for the position of head girl. My symbol is just a wonderful umbrella. Okay. So, sir, can we do the presentation? Can you please?
Okay.
I think
Who is
Nihal
there?
will be there.
Nihal. Yeah, okay.
Nihal, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you can do this. You can do. So these are our goals and your chance. So firstly, we want to move your word. So your word is your voice. Use it wisely. Okay, you want to vote the correct person you like. So if we get elected in these elections, as he heard, we are planning a wide variety of interesting programs like magic shows. I already mentioned magic shows, riddles, etc. All this we will arrange. We have several additional ideas also for ways to bring back more pride to our school. So give your valuable votes for us. That's head boy for Muhammad Shaheen, standing for head boy, and his symbol is a laptop. And for head girl, that's myself, Rima, and my symbol is an umbrella. So next one is, so first one is
Please
the
rotate your phone.
once again. So first one is interacting. Three things we are mainly doing. First one is interacting classes. We will try our best to increase this relationship between student and teacher in online class, like bringing the law to turn on the video till the end of the class and more. Then second one is arts fest and other interesting programs. Like we have planned a wide variety of interesting programs for the student to make them stress free, like arts fest, magic shows, riddles, science exhibition, then photography, etc. Then third one is develop skills of students. That is, all students will be taken under a club, conduct various programs through it. This will increase the skills inside the students, and various such programs will be conducted. All these things is happen only when me and Shaheen will be elected as a head boy or a head girl. Then so once again, don't forget our symbols for head boy, Sheikh Muhammad Shaheen, and his symbol is laptop. And for head girl, myself, Rima, and standing for the head girl, and my symbol is an umbrella. So this is a live demo, or sorry, demo of names voting, e-voting. So firstly, write your name. In that one link is provided by our principal sir in Saturday morning. So you can enter through that link, and firstly you can know this. You can be appear like this, and type your name there, then class and division, then type next. So you will enter another page. Choose any one. So here, three persons are there. Do vote for me, and my symbol is umbrella. So do next. Then head boy candidates are there. Do vote for Muhammad Shaheen, and symbol is laptop. Then submit it. It's a very simple way to e-voting, and cast your vote for us. We will be sure that we will bring many changes in our school life, and this is our poster. So please cast your vote for us. It's a request from us. So I hope you all will be casting your right person. Cast your vote for a right person. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Who is next introducing? Final conclusion. I think Agil has done, Shaheen has done, Rania has done. Okay. Thank you all. I think that shall we wind up the program. Nasser sir, who is going to give a vote of thanks?
Okay,
Hello.
let's wind up our program. Yes. Hi, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. It was our fourth and last session of our leaders debate. It was an amazing program, I think. I noticed one thing that after each session, our candidates responded with more confidence. I love it.
That's right,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So I think we were able to achieve what exactly intended to this meeting. Anyway, it's the time to wind up our session. So I would like to thank our beloved principal, teachers, and their candidates, and all the students and their parents. Thank you for your valuable participation. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.